Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Nail Art Design. Today I am teaching you summer citrus nails art design step by step guide. Hopefully you like today my video and my nail art design too. Perfect for the hot summer months. This brings citrus design is a refreshing style of your nails, not in summer but also in winter as well. Let's talk to step number 1. Start by painting your nails with a coral nail polish. Step number 2. Using a nail art brush and a white nail polish, create half circles of different sizes along the edges of your nails and fill them in. Let's talk about step number 3. With a nail art brush and either a green, orange, or a yellow nail polish, outline each of the circles. This outline will be the rind of a citrus slice. Let's move to step number 4. Using the same brush and nail colors, create small teardrop shapes inside these circles. This will be wedges in citrus slice. So make sure the color of your teardrop shape matches the outline color. Step number 5. Remove all the extra nail paints on your fingers with the thinner or any nail remover. Step number 5. Finally, apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Thank you.